Thank you. Yeah, you actually want to unbox the box. Let me do it for you, all right? All right. Now that you want to see what is inside, can you read the name?
SmallRig RF 20C portable focusable LED video light.
Okay. So these are the accessories, okay, that you will use with the light. And what is this?
The charging.
That's the charging cable, okay? That's the light. Is it heavy?
No.
Okay. Then what do they call this?
Bag for the light.
That's the bag, or they call it pouch. It can be like where you store the light when you're done using it, okay? All right, so this is going to be the snoop. These are going to be the different adapters. Count it, let's see how many.
There's 19 of them.
19. 19.
Oh.
You missed one. You have 20 adapter that you can use, something to shape your light. So the Gobo comes in different shape. They're all in the same shape, but they have different pattern. Can you guess the shape of this one?
Uranus. No, wait, Saturn.
Saturn. Good. And this one looks like what?
Window.
Exactly. This looks like window. What about this one? What shape is this?
A heart.
Heart. What about this one?
Triangle.
Triangle. Do you see the light? So you can increase the intensity and you can dim it down all the way off. Then we can turn it on. So when you press it, you change the color. And the fan is a little loud. So change the color. Do you see how that? So let's zoom out. So this is what you have. See the shape of this one. Let's change the color. You see, I like this one. You want to make it look like you have a window, and this is going to, give you that illusion of window. You see how this one look like? Yeah, it looks like that blind. Yeah, you see. Let me do love before we go. That's love language. Let's put it to love color. That's love right there. You only have one button to work with, and I wish this could have come with maybe app that you can use to make things easy on you. But this is more or less like one set and go. That should be it. You set it and you go. You don't want to change it all the time because you want it to be consistent. So if you look at this, you only have one knob, multifunction knob, okay? You can press to change the color. When you press, you switch the color, okay? I don't want to put the light in the lens so that it's not going to blind anyone, okay? So when you press this button, it kind of help you change the color, all right? You change the color when you press. If you press and hold, it will turn the light off, okay? So if you go to turn the light back on, you just do one press. The light is on now, but it's in 0. So you have to twist this to turn it on. But because I didn't kind of twist, it turned back off. One press, then you turn it this way, and it will light on, okay? So when this reach the maximum output, is going to flash. And when you turn it down, like so, it will flash. When it flash also, it show you that's the lowest output you can get, okay? So we have 5 color, okay? White, purple, yellow, blue, red, white. So 5 color, all right? The build quality is good. But one thing I normally don't understand is that the rechargeable battery is always built in. And that could mean that if this thing is not serviceable, that could mean the end of the light. And also, I advise, if you are buying anything that is rechargeable, always give it a proper charge before you use it. Always make sure when you get a light like this or anything at all that is inbuilt battery need to be recharged, always charge it before first use. What do you want to say to your viewers?
You have to like and subscribe.
All right, so guys, that brings us to the end of the video, right? All right, say bye-bye to the viewer. Bye. See you next time.